Hi YouTube, so welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, comment, share, like. Let me know what you think. So I was getting ready for my routine and I wanted to just stop, and just say something before I finish. Usually I don't go through the full process. I just come out here, when I'm all made up, but I wanted to just, show my bare face. It's washed, prepped, primed, and ready for my makeup. And actually, I started one side of my eyelid, my eyelid.
I meant to say eyebrows, folk. I don't know why I was having such a difficult time saying eyebrows.
Sorry. Talk about, skin. I remember specifically growing up and, not knowing, growing up from the country that I grew up, which was Ghana. Ghana in the house. So yeah, which was Ghana. And I didn't know the importance the importance of skin tone and racism and all that until I came to the West. And then I come to the West and all of a sudden I'm like, my skin tone is not what's shown to the world as beautiful or as, desiring or anything like that. But then, I'm glad things are changing. Slowly but surely things are changing to the point where even now the makeup industry or the beauty industry are listening and they're paying attention to, okay, women of color needs to be represented, right? Our skin tone, our shade, we matter, we spend our money, we want to look good too, like everybody else. But before, I get, on my high horse and rant and rave, I just want to just come on here and just show my bare skin before I put makeup on and just, thank God, not to knock any other race or any other skin tone or skin color or anything like that, but thank God that I have this skin tone and this skin color that I have. And it took me a while to get to this point because the history of how colonization in almost all the world has affected skin people and, the look of society and how, the fairer, the lighter you are, the better you are. But anyway, so just, I wanted to just, before I came up all done up and stuff, I just wanted to come on here and just say, I'm grateful for my skin color, my skin tone, the elasticity of the skin color and the skin tone. Oh, I'm not going to tell you my age, of course, but to be the age that I am and to have this, look at it. There is not a wrinkle in sight. I'm so grateful for that. I am so grateful for that. You don't know. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup. But I just wanted to just say that I'm appreciative and grateful for the skin that I have now. So, if you're watching this video and you're being bullied or teased or laughed at because you're too dark or you're too this, you're too ashy, or kids can be so freaking mean. Excuse me. They used to call me an African booty scratcher. Anyway, so yes, if you're watching this video and you're feeling I'm not beautiful, I don't like my skin, I hate myself, I don't measure up, please don't. There is definitely light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm telling you, the older you get, the more you appreciate the skin that you're in. So yes, I just wanted to just say that before I came out here all glammed up and ready to go. So thank you for coming. Tell me what you think about what I just said, and subscribe, comment, like, share this video, and love you.
Hi YouTube. So yeah, I just got done with as I was saying, I think I was getting ready and I was talking to you all about the skin tone. So now I look all glammed up and ready to go, but I just wanted to just come on here and just show you the final product or the finished look of what I have going on today. Different color lipstick. I've just been bold this week, just trying all kinds of lipstick, all kinds of colors of lipstick, which is great, and I'm having fun with it. So yeah, tell me what you think about this look. It's important. Please tell me what you think about this look. from head to toe. I'm wearing a new unit today. If you'd like to know more about it, ask me. Let me know. I'll tell you where I got it, what it is, how much I paid for it, everything. But, yeah, so yeah, tell me. It's fun wearing makeup. It's fun playing makeup. It's fun playing with makeup and playing with color. Because as I've said in my previous videos, I've never really thought I could play with color, because I thought, okay, dark skin doesn't go with anything. But boy, was I wrong. So yeah, tell me what you think. I'm very excited. Yeah, so this is the final finished product, and I'm about to head out. So I wanted to just come on here and show it to you before I head out, and tell me what you think. Whatever you like for me to, what videos you'd like to see, and what colors you'd like to see on me, and where I bought my products and stuff like that. You can ask and I'll tell you. So yeah, like, comment, please share this video, and of course like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep on making more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for visiting. I will see you later.